everyone! In today's video, I'd like to share a simple hydroponic garlic growing method that uses nothing more than clean water. This method helps garlic develop roots and sprout quickly while achieving a high germination rate. Let's take a look at how I did it. With an ordinary foam food container, let's see what I'm going to do with it. First, I'll cut a round hole in the center of the foam lid. Foam containers are very easy to cut. Now I have a round hole that's about 2.5 inches in diameter. Then, I'll do the same with the remaining containers. I use foam containers for this hydroponic method because they are lightweight and help block light from reaching the water, creating a more favorable environment for root development. These are fresh garlic bulbs. As you can see, they are fairly uniform in size. I'll use a small knife to trim a little off the top of each garlic clove. Then, I'll trim a thin slice from the bottom as well. I'm only making a very shallow cut, so the shoots and roots can emerge more easily. If you cut too deeply, you may damage the developing shoots and roots. Next, I will prepare some clean water. The key here is clean water. I'll leave the water uncovered for 12 to 24 hours overnight so that some of the chlorine can naturally evaporate. Before adding the water, I'll put a few drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide into it. When mixed with water, it breaks down into water and oxygen, helping create a more favorable environment for root development. I'll place all 6 foam containers in position and fill them with clean water that has been left standing overnight. If you use only clean water, the garlic will still develop roots. But the process may be slower than when you add a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Then, I'll put the foam lids back on. As you can see, the garlic bulbs fit perfectly into the round holes. Just enough to make contact with the water. Garlic likes consistent moisture, but it does not tolerate waterlogged conditions. After 2 days, this garlic bulb has already produced roots on every clove. Take a close look. The roots are still very short at this stage. trimming the bottom of the garlic bulb really does help stimulate root growth. After 5 days, wow! The garlic roots have developed dramatically. They are now about 2 to 3 inches long, white and straight. It's amazing. The young shoots have also begun to sprout. At the sprouting point, the young shoots remain completely intact and were not affected by the initial cuts. The roots look beautiful, don't they? But now it's time to change the water to prevent rot and root damage caused by dirty, stagnant water. I'm going to replace all the water in the containers. As you can see, there's even a mosquito larva in this container. I'll add fresh, clean water and fill the container nearly to the top so the roots can absorb water more easily. The roots and shoots are developing very evenly, aren't they? At this point, the young shoots are about 1 inch tall. This is the result after 7 days. The young shoots have started producing leaves and have grown much taller. Their height is about 3 times greater than it was 2 days ago. The growth rate is very fast, isn't it? You can already see the second and third leaves emerging. Let's check how the roots are doing. The roots are still very white and healthy. Some of them have already reached the bottom of the container. After 10 days, the leaves are larger and much greener. The plants are now about 6 to 8 inches tall. The garlic foliage looks great, doesn't it? Let me show you how the roots have developed. Look at this. The roots are continuing to grow longer and spread out. This container is doing the same. Now it's time to transplant them into soil. I'm going to use fired clay bricks to create a circular bed. And divide it into 4 smaller sections for planting. For the growing medium, I'm using a mixture of soil, worm castings, and cocoa coir. Now I'll separate the individual garlic plants. As you can see, the germination rate is over 90%. Next, I'll plant them in the soil. The spacing between plants and rows will be 20 inches. After being planted in the soil, garlic quickly develops strong white roots to anchor itself and absorb water. The leaves grow upright and continuously photosynthesize to produce energy. Over time, the plant gradually transfers nutrients down to the base, causing it to swell and form individual garlic cloves underground. After planting, I'll give them a light watering. The weather has been quite hot and dry lately, and the soil is losing moisture quickly. That's why I'm going to cover the surface with straw mulch. Then I'll water again to provide moisture for the soil. This is the garlic after 1 month. The plants are now about 10 to 12 inches tall and have produced many healthy green leaves. Underground, the root system has developed strongly. The base of the plant is beginning to swell slightly as it prepares to form bulbs. After 2 months, the garlic bulbs have started swelling noticeably and are beginning to form individual cloves inside. At this stage, the plants are directing nutrients toward bulb development and flavor formation. Garlic is a relatively easy crop to grow. After 4 months, you can begin harvesting the first garlic bulbs. The straw mulch has mostly decomposed, and weeds have started to appear. The garlic leaves have become older and thicker. About half of the leaves have turned yellow and dried out. Let me pull one up and show you. This bulb is larger. As long as the soil is loose, receives enough sunlight, and maintains consistent moisture, the plants can grow well without requiring much effort. As you can see, the soil underneath is still loose and friable. Before ending the video, I'd like to share another useful way to make use of garlic in the garden. After harvesting, you can use a few garlic bulbs to make a natural spray solution for your plants. Simply crush or blend 3 to 4 garlic bulbs with 1 liter of water. Then let the mixture soak for 24 hours before straining out the liquid. This solution has a strong smell due to the natural sulfur compounds found in garlic, especially allicin. Before using it, dilute the garlic solution with water at a ratio of approximately 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. Spray it in the early morning or late afternoon every 7 to 10 days. If pest pressure is high, you can increase the frequency to about twice per week. However, avoid using overly concentrated solutions or spraying too frequently, as this may burn the edges of young leaves on sensitive plants. When diluted and sprayed on plant leaves, garlic solution can help repel certain insect pests, such as aphids, whiteflies, and ants. In addition, many gardeners use it as a supportive measure to help reduce the pressure of certain fungal diseases on plant foliage.